In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund on Wise in the easiest way possible, even if you're a beginner and don't know anything about Wise. Wise is an international money transfer app used to send and receive money globally with low fees. You can get a Wise refund if transfer is canceled, money is pending, transfer failed, recipient didn't receive money, you sent money to the wrong recipient, transfer was reversed by bank. Instant transfers usually can't be refunded. Method 1. Cancel and refund. Log in to Wise account, go to Activity, click on the transfer. If you see Cancel Transfer, tap Cancel. Wise automatically starts the refund. If the transfer hasn't been completed, Wise refunds the money automatically. Method 2. Refund for completed transfer. If money is already sent. Steps. Open Wise app or website, go to Help, click Contact Support, select Payments and Transfers, choose I want a refund, submit the request. Wise contacts the recipient's bank and tries to recover the money. Since many users ask this, refund goes to original payment method, Wise balance, linked card or bank. Always double-check recipient details before sending money on Wise. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more simple finance tutorials.